Share prices have slumped on worries about the effects if the West launches military strikes against the Syrian government. European stocks suffered their biggest daily drop in 2 months, with the index of the region's top 50 companies ending the session down over 2%. Banks and car makers suffered most. Shares were ditched in favour of assets less exposed to global economic conditions, such as German and US government bonds. Some analysts said geopolitical risks were being used as an excuse for investors to cash in and take profits after recent rallies, but there is genuine worry as well. This trader in Frankfurt said a war in that region would mean cuts in oil supplies, especially as you don't know who else might be drawn in, maybe the Israelis and the Iranians. We know what that means from the oil crisis and regional wars in the past, so it's not a good sign, and so people are selling their shares. Middle East tensions have sent the price of oil spiralling higher, with Brent crude at its most expensive in nearly 6 months. Another factor supporting oil prices, declining Libyan production. Investors have been scurrying for safe haven investments such as gold.